Right, this is the old NS Kong Dodo trigger finger splints. You get a 4-pack of these just to show you how they come. They are each individually wrapped in plastic, which is great. I'm going to show you the one that I have been using and what I have been using it for, because it's been a lifesaver for me. I love these things. You have 2 Velcro straps on here, and these things, they hold great. It's foam inside of here, so it's very comfortable, and there's a very stiff, I have a sprained thumb, very stiff plate inside of here that keeps everything going. So the idea is you can put this on your finger and splint your finger with it and wrap it. But I have been using it, I golf and I sprained my thumb. So what I did was I used it for my thumb and I wrapped it around here just like this. And I found a golf glove. That's why I have these white speckles on here. I found a golf glove that is 1 size larger, and I'm able to actually fit it inside of there. I'm still able to play with a sprained thumb because this thing keeps my thumb straight. And I got through a whole driving range sessions today and 9 holes, and I feel good about it. So pretty awesome. And it held up through a lot of punishment today. I literally hit about, well, I hit 45 shots, including the putts in the round today, and a large bucket of balls, and it's holding up great, and it's going back in my golf bag. I love these trigger finger splints, or in my case, thumb splint. Works great.